2018 Lincoln Continental. Benefiting from a unique design and plenty of creature comforts, the 2018 Lincoln Continental is a striking full-size sedan that benefits from a handful of changes for the new model year. 3 trim levels are available for the Continental for 2018: Base, Premier, Select, and Reserve. Standard in Premier and Select trims is a 3.7-liter V6 engine with an output of 305 horsepower and 280 pounds-foot of torque. A twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 engine generating 335 horsepower and 380 pounds-foot of torque is standard on Reserve, but optional on Select trim. Last but certainly not least is the optional, twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with 400 horsepower and 400 pounds-foot of torque, available only on the Continental Reserve. A 6-speed automatic transmission delivers power to the front wheels, and all-wheel drive is optional on all trim levels except for the Reserve, upon which it is standard. Changes to the 2018 Lincoln Continental. Lincoln Connect now standard across all trims. Content from the Select Plus package, including navigation and blind spot detection with cross-traffic alert systems, is now standard on Select trim. Revel 13 speaker audio system is now standard on Reserve. Content previously found in Technology Package and Climate Package, as well as twin-panel moonroof, is now standard on Black Label. New exterior paint colors, Ivory Pearl, Blue Diamond, and Iced Mocha for all trims, Rhapsody Blue exclusive to Reserve trim. What we think? Lincoln adds more features to the Continental for 2018, which is an interesting full-size sedan offering. The 2018 Lincoln Continental has its fair share of idiosyncrasies, such as a lackluster automatic transmission and an insufficient amount of cargo room for a full-size sedan. Yet, the Continental still has plenty of appeal, perhaps enough so that some of its shortcomings will be ignored.